Traders, somebody's just asked me my opinion on the NAS 100. Okay, here it is. This is a clear trend. Here we have a clear trend. We broke market structure, bearish, here, BOS. However, this downtrend now is starting to look a little compromised because we have these highs taken out, okay, and we could mark that up as a change of character, okay, a shift in the trend. So it's not a clear break of market structure at this point, but it's a bullish change, shift in the trend. So we are seeing clearly bullish price action through here. And I mean, we could definitely draw a channel, right, clearly. Whether this continues remains to be seen. Now, I'd be interested in getting involved with this if either of two things happens. One, in fact, I'll just draw a parallel channel. Let's just take it from there, that'll do, and down to candle body low. All right, so I'm just going to look at this parallel channel here. I think for me to get involved, I would need to see, if it's a bearish scenario, I'd need to see this shift here. So we've got this going on, and I would like to see a lower high, lower low here. Then a retest of this low could get me involved. If that's the case, then a short position, stop above the high, and we look for continuation down into this imbalance. So have a look at this green candle, one-way trading, bullish. So we've got this bullish imbalance, and that could be a target for this, looking to rebalance. Okay, so that makes a lot of sense to me. So that's that scenario, and that gives us a well, you pull your stop loss like wherever these highs occur. For example, here, lower high, okay, lower high. So just go for the most recent lower high. So that gives us a 2-point, well, there's a 3R target there, and that'd be nice. So that's one idea, a break of the low, retest and fail, and we short. And the other idea would be the opposite. I mean, this is, it is breaking structure here. You can see this trend. So if that happens to continue, then it would have to be, for me to get involved, the break and retest of this range. But you want to be a little bit careful with this. So I really don't trust the stock markets at the moment. We're well and truly overdue for the end of September dump. End of September, now we're into October. These are generally the two worst months for the stock markets from a seasonality aspect. I really don't trust this bullish. I mean, it could very well push up, but I'm more inclined to be, I think I'm more interested in a short than I am a buy opportunity. Now, here's the thing with this, like if this pushes up, we see something like this occurring. Let's just say we push up, we see relative equal highs, a spike above. Don't trust it, right? Because it could simply be a liquidity run looking to target these buy stops up in here. That's a possibility, and it rolls over. Again, I'm coming from a seasonality point of view here, given that this has sold off dramatically. I've done a video on this. If you go back in time, you can just click the go to here and go back the years. You'll see what I'm talking about. Same time, same channel, 2023. We could quickly go back and have a look. What does it look like? All right, so that was bullish, and then it kind of rolled over. Fair enough. Okay, so we got a little bit more out of it. Let's just, but look, that's the sell-off that I'm anticipating. Let's have a look at 2022. Go to. Okay, so there's a sell-off. So you want to average this out, like go back, say, 6 or 7 years. I won't do that. You can do that, if you want to have a look at this. But take it back. Yeah, a bit of a sell-off here. It really happened earlier on, I think. I mean, that's where it kind of really took off. But, and this hasn't actually happened yet. So maybe it's running a little late this year. Who knows, right? Go to. Yeah, okay, so that's kind of bullish. That blows my seasonality concept out the window to a degree. Let's just go back to another one. Go back to 19. Yeah, okay. A little bit of a sell-off here. All right, I'm not seeing anything major. I think this is the move that I'm kind of considering. It hasn't occurred yet, right? So, it pulled out of this downtrend and headed north into October. But, bearish end of September into the beginning of October. And, that is definitely the case. If you go back, you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, this will be my last one, but yeah, there you go. All right, so let's come back to the present time. I'm half expecting this to do that. So I guess bottom line for me, I'm reluctant to take to enter long unless we see a really specific break of this high, possibly up in here. But just watch out for a double top, then spike above, and then it crashes, right? So I wouldn't be jumping in long on the break above. I guess that's what I'm saying, because I don't trust that this is going to continue up. It could, but yeah, I mean, that's my gut feeling with this. So I think bottom line, I would have to see a significant break above here, and with conviction this travels north and continues. So if you get the break and retest and fail here, then look for at least, make sure it's a break of market structure, not just a shift, you know what I mean? And it continues, and so that could be an opportunity to get long if that's the case. All right, but yeah, I think for me, I'll just be sitting back and watching and just seeing how it shapes up around this current range. I really want to see it break below and give me a reason to get short, especially because we've got this imbalance sitting under here. That's a target for this to trade back down into. Anyway, that's a bit of a take on the NAS 100. If you've got any ideas about this, I would really love your comments. So definitely leave a comment. And yeah, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.